Morning, peekaboo. We've just had to clear all of these sticks and brush and all that just to get to the water. So let's hope it's worth it. Say hello, Ray. Oh, I got something. Yeah. Way. Oh, the size of that. Oh, and a big old bit of rebar. Old spam can. Oh. Oh, wow. That's heavy. Oh, is that a power bike? Yep. Oh, and a fork. That's a bit bent, isn't it? Bit of a bike. There's stuff in here then. Oh, another bit of rebar. Oh, maybe it's not, maybe it's a fence pin. Yay! Yay, Gillian, I want that one. There you go, Gillian. You got your fence pin. What have I got here?
Oh, yeah.
There's a fence pin for Gillian.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Isn't it?
Yeah, great.
There you go.
Oh.
Bit of rubbish. Oh, fork. Let's state that.
To be honest, no, Dave, what that is,
Yeah.
they're not bent, i.e. being bent.
Oh, is that supposed to be like that?
Yeah, it's like in a, sort of the canal people use them for raking the grids to get all the leaves and all the branches away.
Oh, I see.
So they can, so the water will flow down the overflows.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So it's naturally bent.
Oh, okay.
It isn't been bent.
Not quite bent like that.
No. But that's what it is.
That's pretty cool finding.
Yeah.
There's another bit of rebar just there.
Oh right, yeah.
And this heavy lump.
That looks familiar.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
And a spam can.
But I was wanting your pulling power, a bit of extra pulling power.
Okay.
Just have a pull gently. Can you feel it?
Yeah, I can feel the tension on it, but whether I can feel it moving or not. Right, 1, 2, 3.
Can you feel it sliding?
Sliding, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't need to do anything.
No. I think it's the extreme, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'll let it go anyway, but thank you.
Cool.
Oh. I got a penny.
He got a penny. He's got a penny, 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 penny.
Oh, I didn't realise that.
He's arrived. A little clock key. Ah, interesting. Trap bolt. Oh wow. What is that? Oh, it's the bottom of a trolley. I see. Come on. What's that? Oh, another one. Oh, Julian will be happy. Is that a rod rest? Yeah. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's the insides of a phone. Oh, wow. Ha! Ring ring! Ook. What's that? Something metal. Yeah. It's like an aerial or something, but no, I don't think it is. And that's a bit of a bike. Oh! Zippo! Oh wow! Another trap bolt. No, I don't think it is. It's got no writing on the bottom. And something's eating a hole through the bottom, look.
Yeah.
Oh no! But still, no. Oh, it's got something written on that bit. Oh, it's got bull written on it. Yeah. Not bad. Well, that was hard work, but we done alright out of that bit. Got 3 fence spikes and a bit of rebar. And that's a heavy lump, that is. And then we've got that tool that Ray was talking about, and we've got a bit of bike, a bit of a trolley, that metal box, and a load of rubbish out. That's not too bad from there. Oh, and half a phone and a Zippo. Nearly forgot about that. That's done pretty well from there, actually. Ray went over that bit of the bridge, so let's go and see what he's found. Oh, track chairs, lovely. Is that what you was hollering about?
Yeah, 2 track chairs, a track clip. Right.
This is where we were standing before.
Yeah, track clip, a piece of bar.
Yeah.
Right. A bit of metal. There's a bit of metal. Inevitable chaff can.
All right.
And
the old hoopy type
like
thing.
a hoopy type.
Yeah.
There. That's
Let's see what we can find here.
sounds stuff.
Oh. We got us a track boat. Oh. More tracky boats. Oh, I've got another boot.
Look at the boot. Get a track boat.
I've got a track boat as well.
Oh.
I don't know how I managed to get that. It's not a steel toe cap.
Crazy.
Oh, it's a penny! You got a penny! You got a penny, 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 penny! Mind you, that's showing the silver underneath, look, the zinc.
Yeah, yeah. Right. So, look at our trousers. I think you're on it.
Oh. I've just pulled it out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I've just sucked it out.
It's mine.
Yep. That's moving now. You should be able to pull that in.
Sometimes you get stuck under the bank.
There you go.
Well done, mate.
Oh.
I thought I knew there's another one out there. Well, look, where's it got it?
Oh yeah, right in the middle. Boy.
Keep it away from that one.
Oh yeah. Cool.
Chair number 5. Is that the back? Oh.
Oh no, that's the back of an old phone. It is a battery, yeah.
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 Okay.
I'm on something. Yep, I'm pulling something.
Hey?
I'm pulling something. Oh, there you go. Well, whether it's the same one or not, only knows.
Right, when you've got it off, oh well.
Track clip.
Another track clip.
There you go. Right, you're on it now, eh?
Well, I'm on it, but I think I'm sliding. Just have a tease.
Sorry?
It's not a ratchet.
No, I hope not. Right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops.
If you want to pull the rope that way,
I think so.
I think it's a case of getting the winch, isn't it?
I think so.
Right, I'll go and get the winch.
So it looks like we're a bit stuck. We've had to get the ratchet on it. Just there.
So
Right, that should be
okay.
okay.
Right.
And then hook it on. It is coming though, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is moving.
It's releasing bubbles.
Are you moving it?
I think so. Yes.
Hey?
Yes, we are moving it.
Right, okay. Magnets revealed.
That's it, it's coming out. It's coming out. Is that the other half of that bed that we got last time?
Could be.
Oh,
Well done, Dave.
there we go. Yay! We win! I reckon that's the bed, the bottom.
Yeah.
We had the headboard out over there.
And that magnet was not going to come because it was well and truly
Yeah.
secured top and bottom, wasn't it?
Yep.
Hey! Magnets away.
Sorted.
Oh, he's doing a poo. That has been rammed, hasn't it?
Oh yeah. Right. Well, that weren't coming out for a month of Sundays unless we got the ratchet on. So well done, ratchet. Wow. Well done, ratchet. You saved us again. That's one of them old cans.
Oh yeah, what make is it?
I don't know. I don't know. Can't tell. What on earth?
Like a gate in the bracket. That's right, to it. Little one.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Yeah. Hinge of something. Oh, I've got it. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look, I was bouncing on something. Oh, we had a good day here. Got all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 track chairs, 7 track bolts, loads of odds and ends, couple of track clips, and that big old roll of metal wire stuff, and this thing. We had to get the ratchet out on that. How crazy is that? Well, we had the other half of the bed on the other side about 6 months ago, maybe a year ago, something like that. Wow. Thank you, Ratchet Strap. Hello.
Hello.
We packed up and that was some heavy stuff. Whoa, track chairs, track bolts, part of a bed. Cheers, Ratchet Strap. That we really needed your help then. And a roller cable and stuff. Oh, I got my Zippo as well. Ooh. Oh, I got myself a Zippo. So that was a fruitful day. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you again next one. Bye. Morning. While you're here, do you fancy watching another video? And hit the subscribe button. Thanks very much for joining. See you on the next adventure. Ding ding!